very much client-centred. It's been written by lawyers, for lawyers in the legal profession. LawWriter has got the consumer at its heart, a fully fledged client management system, case management system, completely case independent, so you can run any kind of case, any kind of matter that you wish using LawWriter. The system remembers for each individual user the last 20 clients that that individual user has looked at on the system, worked on or looked at. So when I log in afresh tomorrow morning, the very first thing I will see at the top of the screen is the name of the client that I worked on last thing yesterday. If it's Mr. Rogers, I'll just click on that client. I won't even have to say R. Rogers, it'll just say Rogers. We're working on a case for a client over a period of weeks or months, so it's very likely that the one that we've worked on very recently is the one that we'll want next. So it's got this very intelligent system built into it, always working to our advantage to make it very, very easy and fast, not only to find the client that we want straight away, it anticipates the one that we want. So if you wanted to send a message to your colleague, for example, in the firm, asking their opinion about a particular case, if you've got LawWriter open in front of you and you're looking at the detail of that case, you can simply, very quickly, send a memo to one of your colleagues and ask them, what do you make of this one, for example, and that short note will travel within the security system of LawWriter. It doesn't go out as an email or anything. The fact that it's client-centred, it's all about the individual client. Everything that you have and know and have worked on about that client is in front of you, is accessible to you straight away, so you get a very rounded picture of your client's history of dealings with your firm. I think if there is a gap, it's probably in this online space, this cloud computing or software as a service model. We think that there are very many good systems out there, and you'll know who they are, the big system names that you're currently using, and they are moving more and more into this cloud computing space. It is the point at which we start. This has been built in the cloud as an online service from day one.